Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I will be teaching you how to connect Typeform to Google Sheets so your form responses are automatically organized and updated in a spreadsheet. If this video helped you, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Let's get right into it. Connecting Typeform to Google Sheets is one of the most useful integrations available because it allows you to collect responses and instantly store them. To get started, log into your Typeform account and head to your dashboard. Once you're there, select the form that you want to connect to Google Sheets. Make sure the form is fully set up and ready to collect responses before creating the integration. After opening the form, look for the Connect tab near the top of the screen. Click on it to access Typeform's available integrations. You'll see a variety of apps and services that can work with your form. Find Google Sheets in the list and select it. Next, click Connect. Typeform will ask you to sign into your Google account and grant the necessary permissions. Choose the Google account where you want your form responses to be stored and follow the authorization prompts. Once the connection is approved, you'll be given two options. You can either create a brand new Google Sheet specifically for this form or connect the responses to an existing spreadsheet. If you choose an existing sheet, simply select it from your Google Drive or provide the spreadsheet link if requested. After selecting your preferred option, click Activate or Finish Setup. Typeform will automatically create the connection and begin sending responses to Google Sheets. Every new submission will appear as a new row in your spreadsheet, making it easy to keep track of incoming data in real time. And that's it. You've successfully connected Typeform to Google Sheets and created an automated workflow that saves time and keeps your responses organized. If I helped you in this video, consider subscribing and leaving a like, as that helps me make more videos.